First up, know why you're using AI, right? Why are you not doing something simpler? AI is very complex and you need to be sure that you are correct in deploying an AI-based solution. Second up, you need to have very good data. You need to have very good data engineers who can, make sure that your data is correctly cleaned, that you know where the golden source of any particular piece of data is and that sort of thing, and is then correctly sampled in order to train and test your models. Because even if you bring in a model from the outside, generally speaking, it will be trained and tested on your data. So you'll need to know that that's being done correctly. And third up, you need to monitor these models, right? Because you might be able to train a model so that it works right now, but is it going to keep working? And, these AI models can degrade far faster than you may expect. So you need to make sure that you are, on the right track still, and have that good monitoring so that if things start to degrade, you can retrain and retest. We use AI a lot internally. We don't really have any, external customer-facing use cases for it, but internally we use it for all sorts of things like, transaction monitoring and so on and things like that. We also use it in terms of assessing and summarizing customer conversations so that we can, make sure that we have correctly captured the essence of what customers are saying to us and, make sure that we have identified any, problems they have highlighted so that we can serve them better. There's some technologies that are hyped up a lot that end up not producing any results or really having much of an impact. I don't think AI is one of those. I think AI is going to really, transform a lot of things, transform the way we work, transform, the internal processes of many financial companies. But I think it's going to, take a bit of time, but then we will start, treating AI in the same way that we treat, say, cloud, where we know what the good use cases are. We know how to interact with it to make the best use of the tool and so on. And we'll gradually start to understand the risks of it a bit better and understand, how to mitigate those risks and control them correctly. And that's when it'll start to really, power financial services as a day-to-day concern.